All right, guys, I'm so excited to open up MemoryGPT to everyone so you can basically go out and try it for yourself. MemoryGPT is ChatGPT, but with long-term memory. So it will remember what you say in previous conversations and you can reuse it into the future. So I've been chatting with it for a while. I'm going to ask, do you remember what we talked about in our last conversation? Let's see what he says. Of course, in our last conversation, you told me that you were planning a road trip through Spain with your friends, etc., etc. So that's cool. Now I'm going to tell it something new. I'm going to say, hey, I'm launching on Twitter right now. Say hi to Twitter. It's going to say congratulations, all this stuff. So how it works, I can now press remember chat and restart. You can also choose to forget a chat if you want, and it's going to save it, right? So it's going to save it into long-term memory. I can refresh the page, and then I can say, do you know of any projects I'm launching? And it says, in our last conversation, you mentioned MemoryGPT. So yeah, guys, try it out. I'm curious to hear what you think, and I look forward to your feedback.